Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to join Telegram group by QR code. So for us to do that, we have to find a particular QR code that links to a particular WhatsApp group. So I have a particular QR code here that links to a particular group in my saved messages. So I'm going to tap on this particular QR code right here. I'm going to tap and tap on this icon button beside these three dots. We're going to tap on this icon. You can see all the image inside our QR code has been highlighted. Then you're going to tap. Then you're going to tap on the QR code. Then you tap on open. Then you can see this actually takes us to the group, which is the Cristiano Ronaldo Tech. This is the QR code for this particular group. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.